Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the AI virtual voice assistant Jarvis project.
Welcome back Mac. The current time is 7 hours 42 minutes and 14 seconds or 7 hours 42 minutes and 14 seconds. The current date is 17/6/2021. Good morning sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me how can I help you? Listening. You said news. Here are some top news from the Times of India. 1. Living Memorial or Identity Politics. Congress passes bill making Juneteenth federal holiday to mark the end of slavery. 2. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sells for 6/16. 3. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys for 6/16. 4. MJF Chat, what's new on the Microsoft security front? Listening. You said weather. City name. Listening. Listening. You said send email. What should I say? Listening. Who is the receiver? Demo message. Email has been sent. Listening. You said calculate 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. The answer is 24.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.